Chances are you love dinner parties, don't you? Nice big group of friends, lots of dips, great food and a lovely bottle of wine. Let me ask you something. Have you heard of the wine monkey? This will turn any wine bottle into the cutest wine bottle you have ever seen. Just look at him. This little chap is made from real American red-heeled socks. To be quite honest, I don't know how I resisted for so long. And I've got to tell you, it's probably better than wearing my socks now. Look at the state of these, eh? I'll throw that one in the bin. So if you want to be the envy of all your friends that have the cutest wine bottle courtesy of the wine monkey, then you know where to go. Find that little drunken smile at baronbob.com. Oh, I tell you what, I'm never going to get this one over a wine bottle. Ugh.